Hello friends, welcome to Lakshmi Arts, and today let's see how to make a beautiful canvas painting of Rajasthani lady in this video. Let's see the step-by-step procedure of making this canvas painting. The reference picture is taken from Google. This is the part 1 video of the canvas painting. Do watch the part 2 video also. Friends, let's take a 8 inches by 10 inches canvas board and the outline figure drawing or printout and trace the drawing onto the canvas as shown. Once the tracing is done, let's take white, chrome yellow, orange and burnt sienna on the palette. Mix white and yellow to make a lighter shade of yellow and apply it onto the face, covering the below area. Again add yellow to the same mixture to make a darker yellow and apply on the face, covering the upper area and merge the two colors together. For the nose, apply the same light yellow made earlier. Adding orange to the mixture, prepare a darker shade and apply on the edges of the face, nose and lips and merge it as shown. For the neck, let's follow the same color pattern, applying light yellow and adding a darker shade on the above areas and merging it together. Adding more of orange color, let's apply the shade onto the other side of the face, merging it together with a lighter shade. Lastly, add a touch of burnt sienna into the mixture and apply it onto the face to create shadows. Also add shadows around the nose area too. Similarly, let's paint the hands with the same color tone, adding the lightest tone in the center and then going ahead and adding darker shades onto the sides and merging too. Similarly, let's do the other hand too. Now let's add some shadows below the dupatta on the upper area of the face. Let's take burnt sienna for that. And add a touch of black for the shading. For the lips, it's crimson red for the upper lip. And red mixed with black for the lower lip. Add a highlight with white as shown. Here we have done the skin part. Do watch the second part of this mural painting, where we will cover the painting of the dress of the Rajasthani lady. I hope you liked the video. Do like, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching.